Ooh, I already see some really cute stuff over here.
Yeah.
I love this. This is really cute. I found the perfect ornaments, the perfect colors, and look, they're shattered. I don't even see any more of the same kind. Hobby Lobby. Let's see what I can find. They have some cute decor. This Noel sign here. And this joy sign. Wow, look at all these. Cute. These are all the decorations that I purchased for my tree for this year. My theme is a glam, girly, pretty tree. So I bought some bows and I also bought some glitter. My color scheme, I would say, is a silver and not a gold, but like an off gold, like a platinum type of gold. Come decorate with me. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out. To get into the holiday spirit, I just threw on a movie. This one is a classic. I loved this movie when I was younger. This is Jingle All the Way, and it's free if you have Amazon Prime. Okay, so this is day 2 of decorating my apartment for Christmas. So I got this skirt, this tree skirt from Burlington. It's a part of their luxury collection. It's a furry one. It's like an off-white and it matches most of the stuff in my apartment. And I also picked up a vase from Target. I'm gonna be putting stuff in it, so you guys will see that when I do it. I got that from Target and it's a part of their Threshold collection. This is everything from a wider angle. There you have my TV stand, and then you have my tree with the skirt, and then you have some pine cones here. They smell really good. Alright guys, so that is my decorate with me video. I didn't do too much. I kind of want to decorate my balcony and add some lights. I don't know if I'm going to do Vlogmas this year, but consider this Vlogmas day 1 if I do it. And then in my other videos, like Vlogmas day like 5 or so, I would probably show you guys me decorating a little bit more. So I guess like part 2. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and yeah, until my next video, I love each and every one of you, and I will talk to you all very soon.